Bring her down slowly, watch the gap. Steady on the left side. Engaging alignment pins now.
Beginning the alignment sweep now. Keep an eye on the transceiver modules during the tilt sequence.
Copy that. Starting the diagnostic overlay.
Right side clear. Keep it coming slow. Copy that. Initiating final sequence.
The wing-to-fuselage structural bolting is a critical phase. Here, automated high-torque fasteners lock the composite wings into the titanium core.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Guide pins aligned. Locking sequence initiated. Firing pins secure.
Torque set on the forward mounts.
Solenoid engaged. Check the rear damper.
This junction looks good.
Thermal scan confirms the fit. Let's move to the next section.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 98%.
Flap response rates are nominal across the board.
Once the antenna is secured, the system runs a quick diagnostic. As you can see, the signal strength is nominal. The power-on self-test initiates the digital handshake, cycling through the interface to confirm readiness for live ordnance. Towed carefully onto the scales, the system rapidly calculates the aircraft's precise empty weight in kilograms.
All lines secured. Pilot confirmed systems check.
Systems check nominal. Canopy ceiling now.
Initiating range test sequence. How's the telemetry hold?
Holding steady at max parameters.
Breaking the sound barrier creates a momentary flash of condensation. As the jet accelerates further, the vapor cone vanishes completely.
Brake temperature holding at 800 on the left main. Initiating rapid cool. Copy that. Monitoring the drop. We are now at 400 degrees.
Focus on the evasion maneuver here. We pulled heavy Gs, exceeding limits briefly, which correlates with the confirmed missile lock indicated in red.
She performed beautifully in the trials. We accept delivery.
Thank you. She's ready for service.
Maintaining the exact thickness of 0.5 millimeters is critical for the radar-absorbent paint to function correctly.
Utilizing the HUM-S interface, the system conducts a real-time structural life assessment, analyzing thousands of data points across the aircraft.
The blue fluid pulses through the tube and into the pod, ensuring the sensitive infrared sensors won't overheat during high-speed flight.
Here we see the emergency pylon jettison test. The mechanical hooks release the heavy missile rails simultaneously.
The application of this deep, matte black paint is crucial. It prevents the sun from reflecting into the pilot's eyes.